Okay, if you have a Blink doorbell that is blinking red, which mine was a few seconds ago, it's red right here, and then on your app it may say offline. I want to tell you some troubleshooting things to do. Now, it could be the batteries, so one thing you can do is remove the batteries and take them out and then put them back in and then remount your doorbell. However, I know that my doorbell is brand new, so I know it's not the batteries. All right, so next thing is check your Wi-Fi connection. Let's go inside. So with your Wi-Fi connection, see if you're able to get other devices connected to your internet, whether that be a laptop or a desktop. If you're not able to get a desktop or a laptop connected, then you know the issue is not with your Ring doorbell, it's just the Wi-Fi has stopped. So you may need to wait a few minutes to see if your Wi-Fi network will come back online. If not, you can't unplug the Wi-Fi from the internet from the wall, like the router, plug it back in, and then see if your doorbell stops blinking red. All right, and one of the other troubleshooting things is your sync module. So this is a sync module 2 that may have disconnected temporarily, or it may have just got turned off. So what I want you to do is unplug it from the power, or you could just unplug it from the wall, and give it about 5 minutes, and then plug in your sync module back in, and then you can go back and see if it's still blinking. Or you can just hold down the power button. Try holding that power button down for like 10 seconds, which of course is the doorbell. Hold that down for 10 seconds and then release, and then see if you can get back online. All right, let me know which troubleshooting methods work. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And if you're in the market for a little cover like this that I got on mine, I'll put a link in the comments section where you can get this cover off of Amazon directly. It's less than 10 bucks, and I like it because it kind of protects it from the rain. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.